Hi, boys and girls. If you're watching this video, that means you have already finished Smash 1-1B for Wednesday. If you did not finish all of that slide yet, please stop this video now and go back to your ClassKick tab and finish it. So if you're still watching, then I want to show you how to answer these. You're going to be checking your own work. So that means you're going to be switching back and forth probably between this video page, watching me. You might even want to pause it when you go and click back on your own Smash tab where you did your own Smash work, okay? So right now, question 3 said 2 of me will fit in this hexagon. So maybe you already knew it from working with pattern blocks an awful lot, but if you did not, then you would have clicked on pattern blocks, which would take you to a whole new slide or a new tab. Okay, so the hexagon is what you were trying to fill, and it said 2 of me. So let's try a trapezoid and then another trapezoid. Now, that doesn't fit, but if I use this little arrow, all I'm doing is clicking on it and then dragging. I can actually turn that trapezoid around and voila! The 2 trapezoids completely cover one yellow hexagon. So I would have filled in for what shape am I. I'm going to use a text box because I'm not in a place where I can type like you would be. Okay, so I'm just typing in. It's a trapezoid. It takes 2 trapezoids to fill the hexagon. Okay, and then problem 4 said these cubes represent today's number. And you'll notice that I wrote over here equals 8 because you were supposed to count these cubes. And if you did, you would see that there were 8 cubes in all. So that today's number is 8. And then there are lots of different ways, folks, that you could have. Lots of different ways you could have made the 8. I'm just going to type in some equations that I know. I know that 5 plus 3 equals 8. I know that 10 minus 2 equals 8. I know that 20 minus 12 equals 8. You see a pattern between 10 minus 2 and 20 minus 12? 20 is one more 10 than the original 10 I had to start with. And 12 is one more 10 than the 2. So if I add 10 to the first number, my total, and to the part that's being taken away, then my ending result is the same. So if I continue this pattern, if I start out with 3 10s and I take away 2 10s and 2 1s, I will end up with 8. So now you predict what would come next. Well, let's look at the pattern. It went 10, take away 2, 20, take away 12, 30, take away 22. So it would be 40, take away 32 equals 8. Now, you did not have to have those exact equations. I will be looking at your work to see if you did it correctly, and I'll give you some feedback on that. But those are some possible ways to make today's number. Remember, you can use adding or subtracting. And then down here, I hope you saw this right here. It